guys, it's Shelby and Michelle with Farmhouse Living, and welcome back to our channel. So it is resolution time, new year, new us, really new home projects is what we're all about here. So we wanted to share what our goals, our home goals are for 2022. Do you want to start or do you want me to start?
I'll start us off.
Okay.
Because my home goal is the same as it's been for 4 straight years in a row. I really have a master bathroom project to do. And if I'm just super honest with you, it's less about the budget and more that my husband doesn't want any more construction. And
Well,
it's a big project.
So let's flash back.
I'm like giving up on life. I need prayer. Somebody pray for me. It's bad. It's bad. There's scotch in the closet.
This is not my advice to live in remodel. This is not how you should live in remodel.
No. But
When mom and dad moved into this house, it's going on 4 years.
yes.
They gutted the whole thing. Mom went, I'll post before and afters, huge progress all at once, but they didn't rent a house when they did all of these projects, so they lived in their master bedroom.
And my husband now has trauma.
Well, no, it's just you can't renovate, and they couldn't blow out all the tile and all of that. They needed that space to function. So mom's intention was then to move to another finished room in the house and to go ahead and take on that. But after all of that construction, dad was ready for a break. It's been 4 years. So the cool thing is you've marinated on it.
That's true. And also, I feel like this is timeless, and I've had the same idea for the last few years.
We have created some renderings of the completed project. We will show you that entire project when it's done or as we're completing it. Okay, what is your second resolution?
Well, I would like to redo the front door because it's a little bit warped. I would just paint it, and I may do that for now, but I would really love a fresh new front door.
It's not the worst front door in the world. It's just not updated, and it needs some TLC.
Yes.
So, but beyond the TLC, I think you're just ready to swap the whole thing.
Yes.
Okay, resolution 3.
We have a little guest room upstairs, and it's cottagey and cozy and sweet, but I want to make it a little more vibrant and lively. I found some wallpaper, and I'm gonna it'll go along with the other rooms up there, because it's, what would you call the upstairs?
I don't know, we've had a lot of fun up there. So in mom's upstairs, my daughter has a little playroom and we painted the ceiling pink, which was pretty neat. And then we've actually painted the tile floors with a stencil and created like a boho
bathroom.
But yeah, I don't know, everything's done, but that room just was kind of all leftovers.
Yeah, it was all the leftovers. So we're just gonna bring it up to date and tie it together with the rest of the space, and that won't take much.
Do you have any more resolutions?
I think that's it. Do I have anything that I've been talking about?
Well,
I'd like to do the backsplash in my kitchen.
I was gonna say, so mom and I have taken on a lot of construction projects. Some of them because other people haven't had experience doing those things, like mom's herringbone
tile.
It's a little bit more detailed.
Yeah.
And
so it really needs a professional. And while our tile guys did great and the standard tiling, that was a little bit more.
We needed like real pros, someone with that expertise to install that type of tile. You live and learn. And I think you're looking at a whole
new vibe.
Yeah. So she really likes the stone that you see in like the Magnolia Table show, the kitchen that Joanna Gaines, I think she has it in like her backyard or something. Who has that? Yeah, anyways, it's amazing. And it kind of ties in with mom's fireplace with that Austin stone with the German schmear type vibe. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And let me just say this too. If I could completely change everything, everything. In my biggest, wildest dream, I would also shiplap this family room.
Yeah, so, but that's not a resolution.
It's not a resolution,
so
it's just a dream.
Those,
you should have 2 lists.
Okay, so she has her resolutions. Those 3 first items are highly accomplishable in 2022.
Yes.
The last 2 are just things she would really love to do, but are probably
not going to get done.
They're not the highest priority. They're more budget intensive than probably the budget can stretch. But maybe, who knows? Who knows what could happen?
Right.
Now,
what do you got?
Okay, so we actually have accomplished a lot in our home last year. We redid all the flooring in the whole house. The living room was all old paneling, and we put board and batten. We did the playroom. We did my guest bath and my primary bath. So we've done a lot in the house, but I do have resolutions. Number 1 is a new nursery. We haven't announced it on here, but we are expecting in April.
Having a boy.
Yeah, I'll pop up the gender reveal because it was kind of fun. But that also threw me for a loop because tons of invested time in girl spaces because I have a little girl. And so I had all this like dreamed up like inspiration for girl spaces that we've applied in Mom's house and my house, and I'm not even done with Quinn's room at the new house.
She didn't think she'd ever have a boy.
I thought I was a girl mom for life. So I will pop up some boy nursery inspiration that I love, but as far as like an executed game plan, that doesn't exist yet. So the resolution is just to create a nursery that I love for a boy, but I'm gonna have to stretch my creativity. I think it's going to involve a lot of thrifting. I think we're going to do a lot of vintage finds, fun stuff like that. Resolution number 2 would be the master bedroom. So we have completed the master bath, and I love it. I'm like truly obsessed, but we have not done anything with the master bedroom. And I did bring everything from my old room to the new house, which I love all of those items, but it just didn't fit because we have a window over the bed, which was a design dilemma that I had never solved before. So my headboard's too tall and goes over, so I'm going to have to DIY cut down the headboard, which I'm excited to do. It'll be a new adventure. And then 3rd, I would like to paint the exterior of my house.
What?
I've told you that.
I know, but that's a lot, have a baby paint the exterior of your house.
We have all year. But I will tell you, last time I painted the exterior of my house, I was pregnant as well.
Oh, wow. That's right.
So
yeah.
I've been there.
You did recruit a lot of friends, a lot of help.
But yeah, so we have a whole video. I will tell you, back in the day, we didn't edit as well as we did, but a lot of views on that video, well received. I feel like it's helped a lot of people to post. So I do know we've experienced painting the house, and I feel like it was a successful DIY, but I actually plan on going a little bit more on our exterior warmer white, because that was very, very white, the old house. Mm-hmm. This will be not as white. And then I think I'm going to use masonry paint instead of lime wash. Mm-hmm. But I'm still in the research phase. And then I have one last resolution. Do you know what it is?
No, I'm scared.
What?
I'm scared.
You really don't know?
No.
Okay, this is one of those silly things that I feel like was a gift from the Lord with the new house. But I have it's a shed. It's like a literal.
Oh yes.
Yeah,
I knew that.
But it's in the middle of the yard, y'all. Like it's not strategically placed at all. It feels awkward, and it's not. The color of the shed is not wonderful. It needs some updating.
But we found a great inspiration.
Well, I didn't just find one great inspiration. I'm gonna post an entire blog post about potting sheds, she sheds, the whole
chicken coops.
I have saved. Well, chicken coops is a separate thing. I do have a lot of chicken coop inspiration, but potting sheds and she sheds, I have saved so much inspiration on Pinterest and Instagram. The whole roundup will be linked in the description, but I'm kind of obsessed with the.
Yeah.
But my most I was most inspired by our friend Stephanie, of course, from Blooming Ivy Lane. And she made hers, and she put a little cupola on top, and it just, I can put a window, update it. I think just with paint and a window and a cupola,
yeah,
it'll be fabulous.
Some new doors.
No, yeah. So just redo the whole potting shed. But
basically, we're just gonna tear down the potting shed.
No,
and put it on.
but it's cool because it has electricity. Like,
yeah,
it really
great.
It's a really nice little shed. It just needs some updated. So, nursery, primary bedroom, whole exterior of my house, and potting shed. But I think I've done that before in the old house. Pregnant too. I call this nesting.
I call it crazy.
Okay, so we have shared our home resolutions for 2022. Mom has 4.
Maybe 6.
I have 4. Let's see if in the next 12 months we accomplish those. I'm excited to revisit them and share them on the blog and our YouTube channel. I have all the links for all our design boards if you want to shop them. I also have links for inspiration, lots of inspiration, all on the blog. So go to the description. Time to close this out, Mom.
Yeah. Okay, so like, subscribe, share these things with your friends, and tell us your home goals for this new year in the comments. And have a happy one.
Okay, say that, but not like that. Say it again.
Okay.
Okay.
So like, subscribe, share these videos with you. I can't now.